This is the huge news. In the meantime, I saved up enough money to go ahead and move. I plan to move to Houston, Texas, because it was one of the best places I've moved in my past, and I loved it. And I love the food, I love the culture, I love the diversity. It is just such an amazing place to be. The only thing I was a little afraid of is the flooding, but I have not yet to even see. It's been an amazing ride for me, a great journey coming to Houston, Texas. So I'm loving it. Time to time, I would definitely get my camera that I have right now and just play around with it, pretend that I'm talking to you guys, because I missed y'all. I really did. You know, it makes me feel good to see myself in a good light, where there was positivity in my life, where I felt good for the day and I actually felt like being creative. It's not every day you feel creative, when you have stress, when you have bills, when you have worries, when you have deadlines, when you have all these things you're trying to do and you just can't come up for air. Your robberies, you're moving, you're dating, like everything was just like get on my nerves, you know. I ended up moving to Houston, Texas. Finding a job, I got an apartment the moment I moved out here. Like, I was so scared because I did not have a place to live coming out to Texas. I did not have nothing in the bag. Now, I inquired about some places to live because I had no job, y'all. I was like, oh, well, I'm gonna go get me a job. But you know what? I was praying that something would open up for me. I'm gonna stay here, out here on these streets, to figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get me a job so that somebody can let me sign the lease. I did that, and I went to a couple of places, but I normally am also into serving tables, so that was one of my ways of making money to provide for myself and my home. The reason why I came also out here is because of the opportunities that were, you know, amazingly. There's opportunities after opportunities out here in Houston, and I couldn't have gone wrong. The food's great, as I said before, and I'm gonna continue to say it because it really is good. I'm getting a little chubby chubs, I don't know, but I rock it well, you know. It looks good on me. Losing a little weight. I've been working out. It's the first month of the year. We're still celebrating, so I'm still getting myself together. Moving out here in Texas, I just dreamed of something great, some good things. I manifested a lot of things happening for myself, and then there were some things that turned for the good, though, you know. I had a plan, but God had different plans. So, you know, God is so good. I'm so thankful for all the blessings that I have received, continuously blessing me with His love, all His gifts that He's given me. The ups definitely outweigh the downs. He's very happy with the way things are in my life. When I came out here in Texas, I envisioned my life to be this single, hot, young woman who had out with a bunch of girlfriends, found girlfriends, date around, you know, see, you know, what life is like, you know, in that field. Also working in a salon in Houston. So all those things came to light because I had a sense of direction of where I was going. I was just confident. I was on fire because everything was open in open arms. I got my apartment first day I got out here because I got a job like less than like what, 30 minutes. Work is out here. Work is out here. I thought I was gonna be in a dance studio. Not that I'm not, because I am still working on being in these things. I'm just waiting on the timing. I'm getting my lifestyle together because I am a new woman. It's a new season for me. It's a different season for me. I'm not the same woman I used to be. I talk different, I walk different, I look different, I act different. There's nothing that I can't do. Like I'm growing, I'm evolving, I am prepared, I am capable. So you have all these dreams and you have all these goals, but then, you know, as I stated, you know, I was working on the little dating apps just to meet people around in the area. I ended up meeting this one guy, and from there it has been history. It's been very fabulous. It's been very awesome, and I love him very much. I will get more into that on another day. I'm very blessed to have someone like him. Just an amazing person. He asked the right questions. He talked to me the right way. I love the way he touched me, and it wasn't like anything sexual. Our relationship was nothing sexual or anything like that. I just loved this man. And like I said, 5 days and I'm over it, but not him. Not him. I know you're watching this. Memo, this marks #1 video. I also ended up getting my salon job, but that didn't work out because I just, you know what, I'm realizing I don't want to work for anyone but myself. I will not be your pet. I am a human being. I have feelings. I need off time. I respect you. You will respect me. I'm not bashing anyone's business whatsoever. I'm just letting you know that I will not be abused. I will not cry over my job. Like, I will never be in a job that would make me cry ever again. I'm not saying that I won't. I just can't. I can't work for anyone in a salon. I have to have my own business. So whatever it takes to get to Caprielle has her own, I'm gonna get there. Okay, that's all. And it's simple. Plans are already in the makes, in the works, everything. I'm also in my prime. I'm not afraid of anything. I've kind of seen a lot of life in most of my years. I ended up breaking my ankle as well. Not breaking my ankle. I ended up spraining my ankle playing racquetball in my Crocs, which I'm wearing right now. I hate these buddies, but they're so comfortable. It was a last minute thing where we wanted to go to the YMCA to play racquetball, and I just put on my shoes. I was supposed to go to work that day, and oh my god, my foot. Bad idea. It was over. I wasn't even in the building, what, 30 minutes? If you can't use it, it's broken. If you can't use it, you broke it. Okay. Glad we got that out the way. Life was so difficult and life-changing. I've never in my life have broken anything. I've always been, or tried to always be careful with my body and ligaments and making sure I take care of myself, but this one hurt, y'all. I was looking for ways to not be discriminated against because I had just got my salon job. And I was like, oh my gosh, she may fire me. She may send me home because I can't really get up and move and work. So I ended up buying a scooter and a boot. And I was like, I'm ready for work. And crutches. I was ready to work. Eventually, my foot ended up healing. It was my right foot. I was devastated. I was miserable. I felt useless. I don't know what it is about sitting in your bed all day, every day for what, 3 months. And I'm also into a lot of photography nowadays and a lot of videography, just because I just enjoy it. I love taking photos. I love getting ready. I love setting the mood. I love creating different characters. I like just geeking out on just different wild colors, abstract art, just different things, different placements of where you could put your camera. I am looking for different ways of art, and whatever way I see fit, I make it mine. That's one of my special skills. I do happen to love photography. I do it in a different way. I typically take it on my phone, but now I just use my Canon camera. Photography, I will get into showing you guys how I do my photos, how I pose for photos, preparation of styling, locations and stuff like that, and how to choose those type of things ahead of time before taking your shots. My life today, January 2023. I am a full-time content creator and YouTuber now. After the episode that I had last year with my job, I decided to leave. I had to go. So here I am. There's nothing I could do. There's nothing that I could do to change it. I had enough. I don't have any regrets. I'm very happy to be where I am today. This is the huge news. I am a full-time YouTube content creator. Did you hear me? I am a full-time YouTube content creator. What? I'm so happy, you guys. Like, you just don't know. I'm working on a schedule on how I want to go about everything. Every day it is a different journey, and it's kind of kicking off a little. I wasn't motivated either, but now I'm into my craft. I am into my works. I am into my products. I am having a blast. I'm just trying out different things, and what makes it easier is that I have a partner that's going to help me, and also helps out a lot with pushing me and pursuing these dreams and goals of mine. That is the sweetest thing. Every day there is something to do. Every day. Whenever you guys, or if you're ever thinking about becoming a YouTuber or a content creator, it is something literally you can do every single day to help out with a better, smoother system posting schedule. I'm someone who can get very overwhelmed easy, and it has been a rocky journey, but now I'm focused. I am so focused that nothing is going to stop me. I am very excited for my future and what is to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. This means a lot to me, and I was very nervous about coming back to you guys, and I felt like I should tell you guys a little bit about myself since I, been gone. So you guys can look forward to lifestyle, travel, vlogs, makeup, inspiration, photography, tips, story times, all different types of things here, but it is going to be a blast. There is going to be a posting schedule. I think I'm gonna go for Sunday and Friday maybe as a posting time, but once we get one, I will be sure to let you guys know, and most likely it'll probably hit the platforms of my Instagram or TikTok, if you guys, or Facebook. You guys can follow me there, talk to me, you guys can ask me anything. This is going to be a very interesting journey for me, because I never thought I could be here. I did think I could be here, I just didn't know when it would be. So I'm not gonna say this is totally unexpected. No, I declared it, I manifested, I prayed over this type of lifestyle, because this was what I wanted more than anything where I am right now. And I'm going to do better. I will be better. I'm excited. Like I am truly happy with everything, the way the direction is going for me. I couldn't be more happier. I'm inspired by my story. I am looking forward to all the greatness, all the opportunities, and it will be a pleasure in this experience. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I will get back to you guys another day. If you guys don't follow my socials, I am caprielannissa on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So be sure to follow me there for more details on daily content. Every day I'm going to be posting something on these platforms, and you don't want to miss out. It's going to be such a great journey. I'm so excited. I got so much energy, so much passion, and I'm ready to share that with you guys. And thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.